Hello, my name is Colin Fisher. I'm a construction management student at Minnesota State University Mankato, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Cypecad and how it's used for building information modeling. My presentation is going to cover Cypecad overview, utilizing Cypecad, pros and cons of Cypecad, and my conclusion. A little bit about Cype. Cype is a firm with more than 30 years of experience in architecture, engineering, and construction. Cype has a leading position within the area of software in its industry. Cype has more than 60,000 users, and this corresponds to 100,000 programs acquired by construction and engineering professionals. Cype is used in 38 countries and is working with over 400 universities that incorporate their software in their academic research. Cype has been used on over 7,000 projects, which is over 100 million square feet of construction. Cype software has many modules that can be purchased to be added into it. Each module costs about $300 to $1,700. These include concrete columns, beams, steel columns and beams, different kinds of slabs, joints, footings, stairs, soil retention, and fire resistance check. Cypecad Basic costs about $2,400, and this includes 9 modules. Cypecad Medium is about $3,300 and includes 12 modules, and Cypecad Advanced costs $4,700 and includes every module except the function to export to Tekla, Technometal, and export in CIS format. To export to Tekla and Technometal will cost about $2,000 for each module. Cype also offers exclusive customer and post-sale service to its clients designed to respond to orders, claims, shipments, and courses. Cypecad is used to carry out the analysis and design of reinforced concrete and steel structures, subject to horizontal and vertical forces, for houses, buildings, and civil work projects. I will be showing you how to add guardrails, nets, and stacking zones, how to add surface loads to slabs, beams, and columns. First, I'm going to show you how to export the modern hotel project from Revit. Go up to the Revit R up in the upper left-hand corner, click Export, click IFC, and make sure the file type is IFC 2x3, and click Save. Next, we're going to load the program into Cypecad. Well, I would show you this, but their servers are down. I've uninstalled and reinstalled the program, and I cannot get it to work, so I'm going to skip this step. Cypecad can import IFC files generated by the main CAD or BIM programs such as Allplan, ArchiCAD, and Revit Architecture. It can also import DXF files and DWG files. Once you load your file into Cypecad, you have to go through a series of steps in order to make sure it works correctly. This dialog box indicates where the IFC file is located. It is used by the program to import the data displayed. The next dialog box is floor heights. This section of the floor heights contained in the IFC file are defined. Cypecad processes the heights and names of the floors contained in the IFC file. You can confirm or modify this data. The type of foundation of the job is also indicated here, fixed or floating, and the elevation of the foundation plane. Here the floors are loaded. You can choose the dead and active loads of the floors contained in the IFC file. This is a list of column types and elements contained in the IFC file. The user activates those to be imported to generate the structural column of the job. Here the floor slabs and roof are activated. Here the external wall loads are calculated. I activate the walls and partitions for which their loads are to be obtained to place them automatically as line loads in the jobs of Cypecad. This is the last step, drawing templates. It creates a template for each floor. The pros of the software are being able to import files from Allplan, ArchiCAD, and Revit. You are also able to export to Tekla and Technometal. It is also easily usable, adding in safety features and applying wind and surface loads, if I were to show you how to do that. There are 3 other modules: site documents, where you can add the construction details for the structure; site management, where you can find bills of quantities, certifications, and specifications, and job control. There is also Cypecad MEP, where you can distribute mechanical, electrical, and plumbing services throughout the building. From my experience, I thought some of the cons about the software were I wasn't able to find any tutorials on how to use Cypecad. It is also very expensive to buy all the modules of Cyp. I also found that it was very hard to use without any tutorials or online resources to help me. Overall, I think the program was worth a try. It can do so many things that I couldn't show you, like fire resistance simulator, soil retention simulator, MEP export to Energy Plus, and many more. You can get a free trial by downloading Cyp evaluation version from their website. It's a 10-day free trial. And my name is Colin Fisher, and thank you for watching.